Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best electric shavers in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these electric shaver, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Braun Series 9 Pro. The Braun Series 9 Pro is our favorite because of its superior shaving performance. It can be used wet or dry, leaving a super smooth shave with minimal irritation. It comes with a self-cleaner base and a travel case that doubles as a charger, so there's no need to bring it along, even on long trips. We found that it has a powerful motor that dispatches with stubble quickly. The rechargeable battery also lasts 16 minutes, meaning it may only require a recharge every few weeks. Unsurprisingly, all of these great features come at a high cost. In addition to the hefty price tag, the self-cleaner fluid requires replacement periodically. This purchase is in addition to the blade cassette, creating substantial maintenance cost. The pop-up trimmer is serviceable, but also is not the best of the bunch in our testing. However, if you want a top-of-the-line daily electric razor that offers a close shave, you can't go wrong with this model. Reasons to buy: provides a close shave, charger travel case, self-cleaning. Reasons to avoid: expensive, cleaning fluid must be replaced often, trimmer is not effective. Number 2. Braun Series 5. The Braun Series 5 provides an excellent shave on a budget. We are incredibly impressed with its trimmer attachment. We found that it was one of the best we tested, powering through a 2-week beard without much noticeable tuck. It has up to 15 minutes of runtime and comes with a simple set of charge indicator lights. It is straightforward to clean holes below the foil cassette, make it quick and easy to rinse. It can be used wet or dry and performs well even on 3-day growth. It is also equipped with one of the most ergonomic grips and is rubber-coated, so it stays put if you rest it on the edge of the sink and is easier to hold. This blade isn't without its flaws. The trimmer comes as a separate attachment rather than a built-in component, so you have to switch it out with a regular blade instead of popping it up from the back. The head also doesn't have the same flexibility as other high-end models, so it takes a few more passes under the chin to get a close shave. However, this is the place to start if you are looking for a top-notch razor at a reasonable price. Reasons to buy: easy to clean, travel lock, charge and replacement indicator lights. Reasons to avoid: trimmer attachment, not built in. Number 3. Remington F5 Foil. The Remington F5 Foil is a high-value, inexpensive option. Based on our initial impressions, this foil cassette razor feels more substantial than we would have expected, and it also delivers on performance. It can run both plugged-in and cordless and has a 5-minute quick charge, allowing you to still get a shave in even if the battery is drained when you first wake up. Its unique, curved ergonomic grip with responsive foils and shaver head that pivots independently from the rest of the device makes it easier to get hairs under the chin and neck. We love the clear battery indicator light strip, which is relatively easy to clean under the faucet. Overall, we found this razor wasn't quite as efficient as higher-end models in this review. It took several more passes during testing to achieve the same results. This razor is a dry use only, so you can't take it in the shower, which somewhat reduces its versatility. It also takes slightly longer to charge, about 2 hours to charge fully. However, if you want top performance relative to the price, this is one model to consider strongly. Reasons to buy: corded use, 5-minute quick charge, clear battery charge indicator. Reasons to avoid: dry use only. Number 4. Philips Norelco OneBlade Hybrid. The Philips Norelco OneBlade Hybrid is a sturdy, full-featured body groomer that offers versatility at a low price. Its dual-edge blade makes getting the right angle on your shave easier and is adept at touching up sideburns and mustaches. It can be used wet or dry and has a battery indicator light to let you know when it needs a charge or has a full battery. Though if only used every 3 days, we found that it can last well over a month between charges. It includes several attachments: 1, 2, 3, and 5 for stubble on your face and 2 comfort guards for body grooming. For those seeking a close shave, it's important to note that this blade complements a traditional razor. It's not a replacement. It won't provide a baby smooth shave, but that's not what it's designed to do. It has a solid run time of 16 minutes from a full charge, but it also takes 4 hours to get there, which is 4 times longer than the average razor in this review. This inexpensive option is great if you are looking for a blade for touch-ups around a fresh shave or regular body grooming. Reasons to buy: 60-minute runtime lasts for dozens of shaves. Lightweight and compact. Reasons to avoid. Can only charge via USB. Dry use only. Number 5. Andis ProFoil Lithium Titanium Foil. The Andis ProFoil Lithium Titanium Foil has a long-lasting battery and the ability to run while plugged in. If it runs out of juice mid-shave, you can plug it in and run it as a corded shaver, a surprisingly hard-to-find feature among electric razors. It also comes with hypoallergenic gold titanium foils and has enough power to smooth thick stubble. If you are not one to pay much attention to your battery-powered devices, this model can help bail you out. It has a runtime of just over 80 minutes cordlessly, which it achieves with just an hour and a half of charging. On the downside, this one is a brick. It's not especially heavy, but it has an extremely boxy shape that can make it somewhat awkward to hold and doesn't particularly conform to facial contours. Though the foil cassette is flexible, the head cannot pivot, making it trickier for uneven surfaces. There is also no pop-up trimmer included, so it is stubble only with this beast. However, if you are not inclined to charge your razor regularly or often find yourself with a dead battery mid-shave, this is the model to check out first. Reasons to buy. Long battery life. Can use plugged in. Powerful. Reasons to avoid. Bulky, not ergonomic. Lacks pivoting head.